Hi teacher, today I'm going to show you a tool called Padlet, which is essentially a collaborative and interactive bulletin board, timeline, mind map, whatever you want it to be. So students can work on this individually, or you can have a Padlet for an entire class and have everybody join your Padlet. Or you can even have two people or a group of people, students working on this Padlet. So they'll just log in with their student account and then they'll come to this homepage. If you wanted to make a new Padlet, or your student did, they'd click this Make a Padlet. And you get all these various different formats for your Padlet. So a wall would be like every new post kind of gets stacked up like a brick. A stream is a very generic blog post sort of style, or you can even use a timeline. So right now we'll just try a stream out. Right away, what will come up is your title, which you can change by just clicking on it, your description, which you can change. You can change your icon, which shows up on your top left to personalize it, smiley face, or you can add your own by taking a picture or drawing a picture. Then you get to choose your wallpaper. So if you don't like camouflage, you can choose one of the pictures that they have. Or again, you can always personalize it. Go to the internet and choose a photo or take a photo or draw a photo. Once you've completed that, you can change your fonts. This is a really fantastic feature if you're working or having your students work on this Padlet with multiple people. Then you can click this and it shows who's made that post. So which one of the students has made the post. So I'll click that and I'll show it to you. And then you can also choose whether other students are allowed to comment on each other's posts or like each other's posts by choosing on or off for these options. So once you've come up with all of that, you click this and you start posting. So you'll click this plus sign and a new post will come up. You can change the title, you can make a comment, and then you can add a picture if you want, for example. So I'll upload something from my desktop here. And all the pictures on my desktop will come up here, or I'll have to go pick a file and go through that process. So say I was going to click this one, it shows up automatically. And once I'm done with that, I'll click on this open space and make a new post. And then I'll do that whole process again. As you can see, it says at the top here, Mary June MJ Duggan, which shows that I have made the post. If I was working on it with somebody else, then their name would show up and so on and so forth. So to go back to my home screen, I click this little Padlet sign and I'm gonna show you a Padlet I've already started to make. So I have my Padlet bookshelf. So I'll open it up and I can continue to add to it. Right now I have my title, my description, my posts and some comments about the book that I've made. I can always add to it by doing the same thing, or if I don't want to, deleting it. If I inevitably want to share it, which I hopefully do, I can click share. And here you can share it by email, or you can share it by copying the link and sending it manually, or you can share it by Google Classroom. Or again, obviously export it as a PDF, et cetera, et cetera. If you wanted your students to work on it collaboratively, then you would copy this link on clipboard and you would get them to share their links with one another. And once one person opens it, then they can work on it interactively. I think that's it for now. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to message me. And I hopefully will have the answer. I'll figure out the answer. Thanks so much. Bye.